Maya stood on the porch, arms crossed, watching the autumn leaves fall across her quiet neighborhood in Ohio. Her face was tight with frustration again. She had just slammed the door after a fight with her mother over something small, a forgotten chore. But to Maya, it wasn't small. It was another reminder that no one understood her. At 14, Maya felt like her world was always on edge. At school, she was often misunderstood. At home, she kept getting into arguments. She didn't know why she snapped so easily. Anger felt like the only way to be heard. One day, her teacher, Mr. Brooks, handed her a small journal. "Write it out," he said simply. "Write before you shout." She rolled her eyes but took it anyway. That evening, after another tense moment at dinner, Maya opened the journal. She scribbled angrily at first. "No one listens to me. Everyone expects too much. I'm tired." Then she paused. For the first time, the words stared back at her not with judgment, but with truth. She kept writing. Not every day, but when she felt like she might explode, she began to understand what triggered her anger. Feeling ignored, feeling pressured, feeling small. Weeks passed. Maya noticed her anger still came, but it didn't stay. Instead of shouting, she'd take deep breaths. She even began walking around the block when things got heavy at home. One evening, her little brother accidentally broke her headphones. The old Maya would have screamed. But now, she just looked at him, took a deep breath, and said, "It's okay, but let's be more careful next time." Her brother blinked in surprise. Her mom looked up from the kitchen with soft eyes. "I'm proud of you," she whispered. That night, Maya wrote in her journal, "I'm learning. Anger is loud, but peace is stronger." And she smiled.